Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey. It is your girl Tash and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, you guys, you guessed it, we're going to be getting into another Dollar Tree haul. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. If you are new here, before you leave today, please hit that subscribe button as well as the bell so that you are notified each time I upload one of these Dollar Tree hauls, which is generally around once a month. I also have several other kinds of videos on my channel, so be sure to check that out as well. Let's get into it. Alright you guys, first things first, I picked up another one of these Home Sweet Home placemats to film on. As I showed you guys in my last Dollar Tree haul, I do go through these quite frequently, but since they're only $1 there, I figured why not. The next item that I picked up is this super cute silver charger plate. It is going to be used probably for perfumes and things like that on my new dresser. I'm going for like silver and black theme in here, so I just thought this would look super cute with like maybe some diamond little accents in there to decorate, and then it'll look nice and bougie, but y'all will see it. They have these in silver and gold, as well as like the steel kind of look, if you know what I mean. I think I hauled it 2 Dollar Tree hauls ago. I'll link it up here so you can check it out. But it just kind of gives the room a more classic bougie look. Alright, the next item is no surprise. I'm always picking up lots of these organizer baskets. If you're with me on my channel, you know I'm a beauty channel, so I have lots and lots and lots of makeup and things to organize, as well as my skincare. So the next 2 items are these microfiber washcloths. They are super cute. They say Bubba 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 bubbles to my bath, or you are the bubbles to my bath. They're so cute. I love these. And then these are microfiber washcloths as well. And they say home is where the it says home is where the shower is. That is so cute. These are really, really soft. If you have not yet tried microfiber washcloths, I am telling you guys, they will take the cheapest body wash and give it the most wonderful lather, and then they rinse clean like that when you're done bathing. I love them. So the next few products that I picked up, you guys know I love keeping these on hand. I know that they are not yet biodegradable. However, if these are made of cotton, cotton is biodegradable. So please, with the negativity, poof, be gone. I do like to keep these in the house. It is getting that time of year where it's summertime. Ladies, we sweat. You just like to freshen up every now and again. Also, Nick does enjoy using these kind of wipes when he comes home from a long day of work and he's sweaty and we want to wash up and eat dinner. So I always keep these on hand. All right, the next few products are from the Betty Crocker line at the Dollar Tree. I really like that line. I think that it gives a nice little kind of punch of color that's fun to the kitchen, but they're affordable. Now, one product that I do go through quite a bit is these little barbecue brush thingies. It's a basting brush. And I mean, these are not the most well-made kind of bristles on here, but for $1, you really can't beat that. Now this product, I was pleasantly surprised at how well the handle's made on this, and all this is a potato peeler. The bottom is kind of cheap plastic, but it'll get the job done. Be kind of comfortable holding it in your hand as well. Another product that I purchased is a a repeat purchase for me. You guys know I love these. This is how I wash dishes. I keep my nails on for 2 to 3 weeks at a time, as well as washing my makeup brushes, because these are ridged on the inside. So for $1, you cannot beat that. I do recommend having 2 different pairs, one to wash your makeup brushes and the other one for dishes, just to keep your brushes sanitary. The other item is a repeat purchase. You may have seen this in my last Dollar Tree haul, which I will link up here. It's a lipstick organizer, or you could also use this to organize your polishes, because these are large enough to fit a polish. The other item is repeat. I'm doing a gift basket for somebody, so I picked up a bunch of these makeup wipes. This one is cucumber and aloe, and then this is one of their newer micellar 3-in-1 facial wipes. It cleanses, hydrates, and repairs the skin, and this is in jasmine and orange blossom. Another repeat purchase for me, of course, is my hair color. You guys know I don't color my whole head. I just need to color the roots. So I'm like, it works. My hair is super healthy and growing as we speak. So I'm just going to continue to use it because it's only $1. Alright guys, this product is from Salon Selectives, and this says it is enriched with shea butter, sulfate free. It is called Curl Control, and it's a curl stretch cream. It smelled really good, and it just kind of sucked me in. When I was a kid, my aunt used to use Salon Selectives on me, and all I remember is the smell of apples. I used to love it when she washed my hair in Salon Selectives. And I don't know what really happened to them. I mean, now I only find them in the Dollar Tree. If anybody knows, comment down below. Another repeat purchase for me is a shadow switching sponge. I put one in a giveaway. That winner absolutely loved her shadow switcher, and I've been using mine for quite a while. It's sitting here on my desk right now. You guys, you do not have to spend a lot of money on these. These ones from the Dollar Tree work amazing. I also picked up these super cute socks with the leopard print, as well as just, you know, some with a little bit of color on them. I absolutely love these socks. I will say, if you have like a wider foot and whatnot, make sure that you check these at the Dollar Tree to make sure that they have a good amount of stretch. I've had to give several pairs away before because I do get some swelling in my feet at times, and they were almost like kid sizes, or like, I don't know. But make sure you check your socks. Alright guys, another product, two products that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. One is a repeat purchase, and it is their hyaluronic acid serum. So it's hyaluronic acid, 1% plus a vitamin C serum. This says it is by Creme de Skin Nutrition. I have seen a ton of positive reviews on this online. Before I purchased it, I made sure that I researched it, as I saw people were finding it at the Dollar Tree. And so you can also research the company Skin Nutrition, and they are a company out of New York. They actually have their own website called skinnutritions.com. So if you have super sensitive skin, or you're fearful of putting things from the Dollar Tree on your skin, just look them up. I will leave their website down below. I also picked up their double strength retinol night repair serum. Again, I saw tons of positive reviews online about these two products, so don't always assume that because it's at a discount store like the Dollar Tree, Dollar General, 99-cent store, Five Below, and so on. If you are curious, I stop what I'm doing and either scan the barcode and it'll take me right to a product, or I just look them up online really quickly, because they do tend to sell products that were not specifically made for the Dollar Tree. And you know, you come to find some really good hidden gems. Hence the reason for the title of my video series. Alright guys, as I told you in my last video, I also picked up this bamboo scented sachet. You guys, I am telling you, I was not in the car, but maybe 15 minutes from the drive there, you know, from the dollar store to back home. Our car still smells like these. And they smell amazing. My whole studio smells like them. They smell so good. All right, you guys, don't judge me. But I have become a huge fan of the next product that I'm about to show you. These are by Ecology, and I actually went to a different location, and I was so shocked to see these. If you find these at your Dollar Tree and you have dry skin and you like cherry blossom scent, I am telling you to grab these. I am still on the same one, and I have been using it every single day from, what, $3 tree hauls ago, $2 tree hauls ago. My point is you don't need a ton of this. It lathers amazing, and it smells so good. And this is highly moisturizing. So I picked up 3 more. If I get to go back, I will probably stock up and get even more, because Ecology is a really good skincare line. You can find them at your local drugstores as well, because this brand is not made specifically for the Dollar Tree. All right, you guys, that is the end of today's haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. I am trying to make these quicker and quicker because y'all know I talk a lot. So if you're new here, what's up? My name is Tash. I hope that before you leave today, you'll hit the subscribe button as well as the bell so that you're notified each time I upload. That way you can come out and hang out with us again. Roam around the channel, you guys. Go find some of the makeup tutorials that I've done as well as makeup hauls. I also show you how to get affordable makeup that is only $1, not from the Dollar Tree. I can also show you how I get free stuff in the mail, how I get free products to review here on my channel, as well as, gosh, I do all kinds of videos, you guys. So roam around the channel, check it out, hit the playlist. It should be on one of these sides here. That way you can just binge watch my videos. All right, you guys. I love you so, so much. Thank you as well to those who always click on my videos, you guys. It means the world to me. I'm going to tell you in every video because I can't express enough to you what it means to me. If you are enjoying my videos, you guys, please hit that like button. Even if you don't, hit the like or the thumbs down. Whichever, I need to know which videos it is that you guys are loving. Not only that, YouTube is checking out to see what kind of engagement you guys are doing on my videos. So please, it takes a second before you close out the video today. Please hit the thumbs up or the thumbs down, whichever. All right, you guys, I love you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.